Today we make pasta out of all like the yellow tack we bought.
In the air fryer, chicken strips, garlic salt,
Gluten-free tomato and water. Boil together in microwave for like 5 minutes until it's halfway done. Spicy tomato, capsicum, 1 tablespoon of cottage cheese, spoon of cottage cheese, sweet basil. Buy one get one. Parmigiano Reggiano, a knob of salt and butter, a little bit of reapers. Mix together. Microwave for 3 minutes. And it gets some color, throw in a knob of butter. Here you have gluten-free pasta, sauce, whatever, red garlic.
Amazing.